I just want to know where my buddy's at. Taking out the trash. Wiping shit down in my truck. Like the steering wheel. Well, I didn't drive my truck fucking Monday, so I don't know. Maybe the guy fucking could have. Ha 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 ha. Man. Well, I'm trying to make a plan with you. When are we gonna go to Uranus? I'll drive. Huh? Right now? Let's call Mark. He's gotta run. Fudge pack him. I know we will. Man, are you running to the trash can? I'll just keep it. I got a fucking case of water in my truck. Did you see my go-go juice? Yeah, I don't know where all the shavings come from. It's like when you turn the wheel or something, like it's fucking got shavings or something. There's like shavings everywhere. Man. No, it's just that's what's all over my dash and all over my shit right now. No. Yeah, shavings. Well, yeah, like I think from the steering wheel, like inside the box or something. I don't really know. Oh, he's gone. I just called the paramedics. It sounded like you fell or something. I called them. No, yeah, I lost you. I thought you fell. Oh, they're coming. Somewhere in Ozark, somewhere behind Lambert or something. Oh yeah, I was just uploading videos. Uploading my video. Oh, he took the week off. Oh, so something's going down. I think I told you. Something's going down in April. I don't know. The plant's trying to do something up here, and I'm trying to figure out. They're trying to combine Nixa, Ozark, all the big ones, or that's where all the mail goes. I don't know. Something's going on. Then Ori called me to tell me about it too. He doesn't know much.